Hello friends, it's me Urmila Garwal with a new video. In this video, we will talk about the Microsoft Excel, what is the formula and how can we use the function. So please guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe it and share it. Now let's start our class. What is the exactly meaning of the formula? Formula is used to perform calculation for doing the addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. It is a combination of with an expression like that we have to be include here cell address, numbers, arithmetic operators and logical operators and some parentheses. You can see in this picture are here. I'm using here equals to sign whenever you use in Excel sheet any kind of the formula or function there, that is always start with the equals to sign. So first we have to be use the equals to sign. After that you use to cell address. You can see easily here A2, B2, C4, E5, E3. These are all the cell addresses are here. So I start with the equals to sign, then A2, that is the cell address, plus that is the mathematical operator is here, then B2 multiplication operator I'm using here, then C4 minus sum is in a pre-built is in a function in the MS Excel. After I use the parenthesis, as I already said, whenever you use to formula you also use some kind of the parenthesis are there. Then I select a cell range, that is in a E3 colon E5 and parenthesis close. Now how can we create a basic formula on table? So what we do, we just select the range of range our cells, or we can be just type our cells easily. Cell references are here. You can see here B11 B11 जो हमारा सेल रेफरेंस है, यू कैन बी सी देयर इक्वल्स टू साइन B4 प्लस B5 प्लस B6 प्लस B7 प्लस B प्लस 8 प्लस B9. So what is this doing? B4 to B9 I am using here the all the total is there. I get the total of the these cell numbers. If I want to be cell reference or I will want to be select the cell range, just I want to do equals to sign, then I want write here sum and parenthesis will be start, and I will select with the help of my mouse B4 colon and B9 parenthesis close, then it same output will be there. Next is how can we write a compound formula in mathematical in Excel sheet. We use as you know, in the compound formula is there a principal, rate and time, and it divided by 100. So I write here principal amount is 4500, rate is 5 and time 3 years time is here, and I want to be simple interest, that I write in the A8 cell address and B8 address equals to sign. We will start always our formula with the equals to sign, then B5 multiply by B6 multiply by B7 and oblique 100. When you have to be click or enter here, press your enter button is here, then it shows your answer of the compound formula. Next, how can you use the ranges of formula? So I already explained how can we select a range in a formula. Just you have to be use the equals to sign in desired cell reference, and then you start your parenthesis and select your range where you want to be start and end where you want to be end, and then parenthesis again close your parenthesis and click enter in your next. Then you can see the answers here. You can the multiple, when I click here, then multiple options are you can see here. Next is what is the cell reference? Cell references is also known as the cell address. Like an A1 is in a cell address or cell references here. Generally 3 types of the cell references are here: relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference. What is the exactly between the differences are there? Relative reference is just having the range of your current cell, which is where your cursor is there and which kind of the cell you have to be the related is there. Absolute reference, it is used with the dollar sign, and mixed reference is the combination of your relative and absolute reference. So let's start our class. You can see in this here cell references in Excel. You can see in the here E 2, that is the cell reference is here. You can see easily here I'm using equals to sign C2 multiplied by D2. What is the exactly is doing here? I'm using here C2 value is a 1 and it is a multiply by D2 range, that is a 25. Then I enter in my next cell, then it shows your answer will be here 25. And you can see here in the formula bar also there is a highlighted in the yellow color equals to sign C2 multiplication D2. If you want to be copy exactly what is the meaning of the relative cell references here is create a formula in the cell. If you want to be changed in your cell, the same formula will be same but the address will be changed in there. Suppose I want to be the same formula in the all the fields of the in ई सेल, देन जो ई का जो हमारा कॉलम है उसके अंदर हम बाकी की जो मल्टीपल है नीचे तक हमारे वहाँ पर अगर हमें सेम कॉलम चाहिए देन व्हाट टू डू, वी जस्ट गो टू द take our cursor on the corner side, then it shows in the plus sign, then you just drag your that plus sign. You can see that is an apply all the your cell, but the cell reference will be changes here. Like you can see C3 is here, that is the quantity is 4 and D3 quantity is 40. When I drag and down in our this particular cell, then our cell address will be changed in the E3. It will be equals to C3 multiplied by D3. Same thing in the E4 equals to C4 multiply D4. So just change your cell references there and nothing will be changed. Next is relative reference. I already told you in the relative reference there is no changes in the cell addresses. We are using just here the dollar sign. With the help of the dollar sign is there. Now see here, you can see in the F field is here. F column में आप देखिए there is a total price with GST, that is in a F2. F3 is there. You can see also in the highlighted part, and you can see also in the formula bar there is I'm writing equals to sign E35 multiplication dollar sign, because it's an absolute reference, that's why I'm using first dollar sign, then I write here E again dollar sign and 33. What is exactly doing is here E55 में जो value है that is multiplied by E33 and it will be shows your answer is here. Next is mixed reference. I already explained. Mixed reference is in a combination of your relative and absolute reference. In a relative there is no changes, only it change your cell reference, and in absolute we will use the dollar sign also. You can see here in this picture in a formula bar the formula is showing is there, and these two cell also you can see there equals to sign B2 value is the 5000, then minus C2. If I find out then 35 is here, then F2 is in a 100, then what will be answer will be here 2500. Okay, so F2 में हमने क्या यूज़ किया, F2 is in a absolute reference, that is using with the help of the dollar sign, and B2 and C2, B2 to C2, that is in a relative reference. Next is how can we change cell reference from one sheet to another sheet. First we can do, if you want to be change your cell reference one sheet to another sheet, first option is there using your copy paste option. Just select your sheet, select your formula and Control C apply there, and after there in the desired sheet, suppose you are using the first sheet is there, then select the particular address is there, cell address is there, cell reference is there, just right click on there and Control C you can use there, and copy option you can use there. After that you click on sheet 2 and in desired location just go to there and press Control V, otherwise right click and use the paste option from there. But how can we change one sheet to another sheet with the help of using your sheet reference. Now you can see here in the first sheet there is an A1 is something amount is there, and sheet 2 that is also highlighted also here. And you can see there in the sheet 2 in the formula bar I am using here equals to sign sum parenthesis start sheet 1 exclamatory marks, then B2 to colon B6 parenthesis close. The exactly range is there that is shows in the sheet 2. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share it. Thank you.